Welcome to Real Estate Thursday. I'm Killoren Bensimon, and you are in Miami. This amazing penthouse at 300 Collins Avenue has all of the amenities that I'm obsessed with, and it's designed by Thomas Juul-Hansen. Hey guys, I'm here with Dina Goldentayer from Element. We are in Miami, Florida at 300 Collins Avenue in the penthouse. Dina, tell me what you love about this penthouse.
What I love about this penthouse is brand new. Never lived in, and it's super boutique. But yet fully amenitized. It has a 75-foot rooftop pool. Really everything you get in a high-rise, you get in this boutique setting.
So Cheryl Eisen from IMG NYC, she actually staged the apartment, so it's incredible. Tell us a little bit about the designer.
Sure. So the designer for the property is Thomas Juul-Hansen. He is designer du jour, and this is his first project ever in South Florida.
Designer du jour, I love that.
To find this quality of work in Miami Beach, while you might find in New York, is not common.
Amazing.